Hi children, welcome to SPL tutorial classes. So in the last class I explained you about integers of 7th class. So I gave you some introduction about natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Yes. So positive integers are denoted as I place 1, 2, 3 and infinity. So all positive integers are with a positive sign, that is nothing but plus sign. Negative integers are with minus sign. Non-negative integers means what, ma? Non-negative means in the heading only we have non-negative అంటే నెగిటివ్ కాకుండా, నాన్ నెగిటివ్ అంటే నెగిటివ్ కాకుండా. So 0, 1, 2, 3 all positive numbers are comes under what? Non-negative, including 0. Okay na children, so these are some introduction about integers, and all counting numbers and their negative including 0 are known as integers. So what are integers, ma? All counting numbers and their negatives including 0 are known as integers. So in the integers we have counting numbers. Counting numbers are nothing but natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, and including 0 means whole numbers, and with that we have negative numbers also, negative integers. Those are nothing but minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So combination of natural numbers and negative numbers and including 0 or nothing but what, ma? Integers. So the term we will use for these integers. Okay na children, so let us move to exercise 1. So before going that, so children, before going that, so open your textbook and see the textbook. Okay na children, so see the textbook. Some integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So some number line is given, ma. So on that number line we have to represent which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So if you observe here means which is the smallest number, ma? You have to remember that always minus integers are less numbers. Yes, always minus symbols are less comparing to positive. So these negative integers are smallest integers and biggest numbers are positive. So some integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So here which is the smallest number? So which is the smallest number? So here see the question properly. Some integers are marked on the number line. This is the total number line with what? Positive numbers, counting numbers and negative numbers and including 0. This is total combination is nothing but number line. So here numbers are marked. What numbers are marked here? Minus 3 and 2 are marked. So ఇందులో ఏది బిగ్గెస్ట్ అండ్ ఏది స్మాలెస్ట్ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో if you observe means here if you observe means, so if you observe here means see marked numbers. First solution. So what are the marked numbers, ma? Marked numbers minus 3 and 2. Yes, marked numbers. The on the number line we seen the numbers are marked as in the circle. Yes, on the number line. So those are marked numbers. So in this, which is the biggest number? Biggest number is nothing but what, ma? 2. And the smallest number is minus 3. That's it. Only question lo em adigadu, he told us to find only biggest and smallest. According to the question we have proved which is the smallest and which is the largest. Okay na children, next coming to Second question. So write the integers between the pair of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and the smallest integers from them. So here, so write the integers between the pair of integers given below. Here some integers are given, some integers. So first one -5 and -10. These are the integers. Okay na? So he told to write between these two integers we have to write what are the numbers lies between -5 and -10. Okay na? So you know the number line. So what are the between numbers between 5 and -10 ma? So how you will write? What are the integers between -5 and -10? We have to write between these two integers what are the numbers lies. So will lies between these numbers -6, yes, -7, -8, -9. Yes, between ante except -5 and -10 between ఈ two integers మధ్యలో మనకి ఏమున్నాయి -6, -7. So why we are taking only minus? Because he asked to find between only minus integers. That's why we have written minus integers. If you have any doubt, you draw like this number line. In the number line, the numbers are the combination of counting numbers and negative numbers. Yes, like this. So in this manaki ikkad nunchi somewhere here -10 వీటి మధ్యలో -5 -10 మధ్యలో మనల్ని what he asked to find between these numbers, he told to write what are the integers lies between -5 and -10. Are you clear, children? So next here if you see means he asked 3, -2. So here one positive integer is given and one negative integers. So how you will write? Again same, integers between 3 and -2 or what ma? 3 and -2. So if you observe here, this is 3. Yes, this is 3 and -2. So what are the between these two numbers? -1, 0, 1. Yes, and 2. So this is our answer. Okay, now are you clear, children? So I am leaving third -8, -5. I am giving this is for you to do. Okay na? So you draw the number line and write. So it may be easy to write the answer if you draw the number line means. Okay na? So this question is up to you. And next coming to third one, see children, open your textbook and follow what I am reading from the textbook. Write the following integers in ascending order. So ascending order means what ma? Already we know that ascending order means ascending order. Order means what ma? Small to big. Yes, in the earlier classes you learnt what is ascending order and descending order. So descending order means we have to arrange the numbers in big to small. You have to remember these logics. Okay na? So in the first question, third bit, so in the first question -5, -2, -1, -8. So what he asked to write the following integers in ascending order. He told to ask, he asked to us to do write the integers from ascending order means small to big. Okay na? So small to big means how you will write now? How you will write, children? Small to big. So he asked to small to big. So what are the smallest number here? So always you have to remember that negative numbers. If you increase the sign for bigger numbers, there the number will become less. So here see, -8, -9, -10. So here comparing to -10 and -10, -8 is the greater. When we will take minus, okay na? So but it is easy to find for negative number, positive numbers. So here always right side going numbers are all bigger numbers. Yes, so comparing, so all the preceding numbers, succeeding numbers are greater numbers comparing to preceding numbers. But coming to negative signs, if the number increases, its value will be decreases. Yes, so here if you observe here means, what is the smallest number here? -8. You write ascending order of the given integers. So -8 is the smallest number. Come next -5, next 1, next 2. This is our answer. Okay children, this you have to remember. And coming to third, so second question is up to you. Second is for you children. -4, -3, -5 and 2. This is your work. Okay na? You have to do the work. And next coming to third, -10, -15 and -7. So here which is the smallest number ma? Already I told, if the value is increased, if the number is increased, its value is decreased. So in the negative number, so -15 is the smallest number, -10 is the next -7. This is our solution. Okay now children. And next fourth bit. So fourth bit, what he asked? Descending. We have to arrange the given integers in the descending order. Okay na? So descending order means first one we will see. Some integers are given. Okay na? Some integers are given. For that we have to write the descending order. Descending order means, already I told that, smallest number to the biggest number. So which is the biggest number to the smallest number. So here which is the biggest number ma? Same. Whatever the question is given, already in the correct way. This is the answer. Don't get confused ma. Always the negative sign will be decreased to the increasing numbers. For the greater numbers, their value will be decreased. So it is automatically compared it as the smallest number. Okay na? So that's why here -2 is the greatest number, then after -3, then after -5. Okay na? So in this way. So try to do second question is -8, -2, -1. Third one 5, 8, -2. You have to give the answer. Okay na? For second and for third. Okay na children? And next coming to fifth question. Represent 6 -4. So fifth question. Represent 6, -4, 0 and 4 on a number line. Okay children, so you have to represent the given integers on the number line. Okay na? So draw the number line. Very simple no children, very easy. Always you have to remember that math is very easy if you understand. Very dead easy. Comparing to all subject, we have to work with our brains. We have to give the work to our brain. Then only our brain starts working. automatically if our brain starts working, maths will be easy. Okay, so try to think the logic of the maths. Okay na, very simple. So always 0 is in the middle. So counting numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and next -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay na, represent what he told, represent 6 -4 0 4 on the number line. So already we have represented. Whatever he asked, round up. What are the given numbers? 4, -4, and 6. Yes, this is our answer. Very simple, no children? Yes, children. Next, we will move to 7th question. We will move to 7th question. What is the 7th question? What is the 7th question, children? 7th question. See? Sorry, 6th question. So, fill in the missing integers on the number line given below. So, this is up to your work. So, all you can do in your textbook itself. See here, one number line is given. So, some numbers are given. -9, 0, -5, 4, 8. You have to fill up the blank one on the number line. So, some numbers are missing here. That you have to fill up. Okay na, very easy, very easy. You can represent. You already know the number line, and you know how to write and how to represent the numbers on the number line. So that you can do. Okay na. Next, coming to the 7th question. The temperature in degrees Celsius centigrade of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. So he gave the temperatures. Okay na. So he gave the temperatures in Celsius. Okay na. So you have to represent those temperatures on the number line of 5 cities. Okay na. He gave the temperatures of 5 cities in India. So you have to represent. So here some questions depending upon the number line. He gave us some questions. We have to answer. So write the temperature of the cities marked on it. So write the temperature of the cities marked on it. So what are the temperatures of the cities, ma? Some temperatures are given. So write the temperatures of the cities. So here how many cities, ma? Here how many cities are given? Here how many cities? 5 cities. Yes. Number of. So this is our 7th question. So solution. Number of cities. How many, ma? Number of cities? 5. Yes. What are those? First one, Kasauli. So what is the temperature of Kasauli? So if you see, observe the number line carefully. So he gave the temperature. See here, -10. -10 succeeding number. What is the succeeding number of -10, ma? Here, if you take from left, 9. In the middle he marked. So it is automatically 9 degrees Celsius. Yes, that's why he gave the number line to confuse us. So watch it properly and write their temperatures of the cities. Okay na. So this is number of cities 5 and we are writing their temperatures. And we are writing the temperatures. And second one, what he gave? Manali. So you have to say Manali. Third one, Nainital. Fourth one, Ooty. fifth one Bangalore. Okay na. So what is the Manali temperature? What is the Manali temperature? If you move from right to left means this is 5 and this is -6 and at -7 he marked. So Manali temperature is what ma? So this is -7 degrees Celsius and Nainital. So Nainital 0, -1, -2 and this is -3 degree Celsius. And next jump to Ooty. So if you jump to the Ooty, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 degree Celsius. And next coming to Bangalore. For Bangalore, directly it has 20 degrees Celsius. Yes, very easy, no? By seeing the number line, you have to write the temperatures of the cities. So this just small confusion to make you confused. So he gave us number line like that. You know, so he gave us how to represent on the number line for practice purpose. He gave us like that. Okay, na children. And next, if you see the second question, which city has the highest temperature? So if you see the second question means which city is the having highest temperature? Ma highest temperature. Already you know how to represent smallest numbers and the greatest numbers. So here which is the greatest temperature comparing 5 cities? So -20 means Bangalore. Second for question, which city has the highest temperature? So Bangalore. So you have to write here itself Bangalore. Okay na. Which city has the lowest temperature? So children, which city has the lowest temperature? Which city has the lowest temperature? Kasauli, -9 degrees. Yes children. And next, which cities have temperatures less than 0 centigrade? So which cities have temperature less than? So 0 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉన్న సిటీస్, తక్కువ ఉన్న టెంపరేచర్, ఆ సిటీస్ ఏంటివి? సో ఆటోమేటికల్లీ Nainital, Manali and Kasauli. Yes, all these 3 cities are less than 0 degree Celsius. Yes, so our answer is Nainital, Manali and Kasauli. Okay na children. Next, name the cities with temperature more than 0 degrees. So more than automatically it comes Ooty and Bangalore. Okay na children. So up to this we have finished exercise 1. So in the next class I'll explain you the next topic. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.